Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Alia Modi.
We are so excited about another listing we have here in the Silicon Valley. You're gonna love this one because everything is basically brand new, and it's hard to find a home that's brand new in the Bay Area. We got kitchen, bathrooms, they look so good, very contemporary. What do you think?
Absolutely, Eddie. 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with amazing amenities. You've got a clubhouse, a pool, a spin class. It's just a really wonderful little community of homes close to Safeway, Costco. Really, really worth looking at.
Basically, it's a lifestyle, so let's take a tour.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of this beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, a great opportunity. It's not gonna last too long. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll see you soon.